All right, so a little late on the recording the video. We got a lot of before photos. We picked up this 2012 Dutchman Aerolite camper with two soft spots in the floor. One was in front of the sink and one was in the bathroom, which we haven't started in the bathroom yet. We have gutted it, but we did get all the floor ripped up. And from my understanding, the reason it had a soft spot was because if you look at this white, the freshwater tank, it's a 4-foot span on center from this beam that came factory to that beam over there. So all the traffic between washing dishes and cooking, and this is a very high traffic area, has probably caused the floor and the styrofoam to break loose. I didn't see any really signs of water damage. So what we've been working on is some 1.25 inch tubing, and we've been welding in these from frame to frame, our frame supports. We have welded some from the I-beam to the other I-beam of the camper, the frame itself, going that way, and then all these other supports, that way we can get rid of that soft spot. And we're going to go back with some 3/4 inch floor and 1 inch foam, and then a top floor before we lay our finished flooring. So it's pretty much completely ripped out, and we had to cut around the cabinets. As you can see, we just did that with the oscillating saw. That way we can lay our floor and then build back up to the original height.